Are you planning your first child? Well, as a parent, I know कि ये टाइम बहुत ही स्ट्रेसफुल yet एक्साइटिंग होता है। एंड क्या आपको मालूम है कि कुछ आसान घरेलू तरीके से आप अपने प्रेगनेंसी और कंसेप्शन के चांसेस को 10 गुना इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं कैसे। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ग्रुप विद गरिमा भंडारी ऑन फिटता। फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि आप एक हेल्दी वेट को मेंटेन करें, स्पेशली जो आप समझते हैं कि आइडियल वेट है ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ कंसेप्शन व्हेन यू ट्राइंग टू गेट प्रेग्नेंट। आइडियल वेट माइट नॉट बी आइडियल फॉर गेटिंग प्रेग्नेंट बिकॉज जो बहुत ज़्यादा आपके वेट फ्लक्चुएशंस होते हैं दैट लीड टू हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेज एंड हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेज फर्दर अफेक्ट योर ओव्यूलेशन प्रोसेस which delays your conception process. So everything is linked. So जैसा कि मैंने previous point में कहा कि women को अपना weight check में रखना है, similarly men also have to keep their sperm health very healthy, which means that they also have to take care of the sperms because it's equally important. It takes two to tango when you're trying to get pregnant. So इसलिए men should completely avoid smoking, also reduce the consumption of alcohol as much as you can. आप regular निरंतर exercise करें and साथ ही साथ water intake बनाएं, healthy food खाएं, अपनी choices थोड़ी सी healthy रखें, early to bed, early to rise, include a lot of roughage in your diet, maintain an active lifestyle which means exercising regularly which keeps your weight also in check. So when women are trying to protect their egg and keep it healthy during ovulation, it is very important that men keep their sperm healthy. Third is to prevent sexually transmitted diseases, which is the STDs. It is very important that whenever you have a partner, make sure कि आप एक दूसरे का टेस्ट कराएं. It is very important to determine at the onset if one of your partner has a sexually transmitted disease, because sexually transmitted diseases actually lead to fertility problems in future both for men and women. So please make sure that you always use protection and are in a monogamous relationship. So it's very important to always maintain a good sexual health by always having sexual relations with one partner and always using protection. It's also very important to minimize your caffeine consumption. Yes, caffeine is a huge precursor when it comes to infertility because caffeine की quantity बहुत ज़्यादा पीने से या बहुत ज़्यादा consume करने से आपके जो fertility के chances हैं वो कम हो जाते हैं. So it's always advisable to stick to the recommended caffeine intake, which is 200 to 250 milligrams per day. It's also important to be beware of toxins. Most people inadvertently don't even realize in professions such as dental work, hairstyling, agricultural work, even makeup artists and many other professions, printing, dyeing, where they are invariably exposed to a lot of chemicals that they don't even register. So अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हैं एक फैमिली and you're planning to get pregnant, this is a point for both men and women that apart from taking care of your diet which is free of chemicals and pesticides, you must also be very mindful कि आप अपने आप को through your respiration you do not expose yourself to such harmful and harsh chemicals that can lead to infertility. Lastly, take time to relax. Yes, stress can actually suppress your fertility. That's why it's very, very important that when you're planning your pregnancy, your mind is at peace, your stress levels are reduced, and if you have any anxiety or depressive thoughts, please make sure that you take the right advice by seeking a right person or a counselor, or it could be a friend, and make sure that you're not planning your pregnancy based on a friend's advice, based on a societal pressure or some other reason which is not a valid enough reason for you to get pregnant. You're going to be the mother, you're going to be the father. So जब भी आप pregnancy plan करें, make sure the only reason is you and your happiness for this family to blossom. So ये कुछ घरेलू आसान सिंपल तरीके थे जिससे आप अपनी फर्टिलिटी को बूस्ट कर सकते हैं और अपने प्रेग्नेंट होने के चांसेस को इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट sedentary lifestyle, being overweight or being underweight, and not managing your stress levels are the biggest reasons and are greatly linked to infertility. तो ये सबको मैनेज करें. ऑल्सो इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करें और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. तब तक इट्स मी गरिमा भंडारी साइनिंग ऑफ एंड कीप वॉचिंग फिट तक फॉर मोर.